Hi, welcome to this application video on how to do a natural nail manicure. Today we're going to be using the Light Elegance JimmyGel, and over the top of that we're going to use the Light Elegance Color Gel Rosy Posy. So you're going to watch and see how we start with the prep work, apply the products, and top it off with Super Shiny. So enjoy this natural nail manicure video. Before any service, you always want to cleanse that natural nail to remove all the oils and residue. With the LE Pro Cleanser and a cleansing wipe, we're scrubbing that nail plate nice and clean. Now we have a nice clean surface. Take your cuticle pusher and push back that cuticle. This is a very important step. It makes that manicure look nice and clean and well manicured. Remove the dead skin around the cuticle. That helps with that nice clean look. Now we're going to use the Lexy file on the 180 side, and we're going to prep that natural nail. We're going to shape the free edge and get the desired length. Now we're going to lightly remove the shine from that natural nail. This is going to help the product adhere to that natural nail. Now we're using the Light Elegance Zippy file. We're going to take the preppy bit and we're going to clean up that cuticle area. Now we're going to remove the dust with the duster brush. We have a nice clean cuticle area. Anytime you file, you always want to cleanse that nail, remove all dust and debris from the nail. Now it's prepped and ready to go. Now we're applying the JimmyGel onto that clean, prepped, natural nail. We're going to use JimmyGel today without any bonding agent. If you feel you have a client that has a hard time wearing nails or a nail biter and you need a little insurance, go ahead and apply a bonding agent like tack. Applying that JimmyGel right over the nail from cuticle to free edge. It is so easy. Now we're going to cap that free edge. Now we're going to cure for 1 minute in the Light Elegance dot. We're going to use the Light Elegance Gel Polish Bling Brush. We're going to apply the color gel in 2 thin coats. We're applying the Rosy Posy color gel right over the top of the JimmyGel. From cuticle to free edge. You want to almost see through this first layer. You don't want to put it on too thick. We want to make sure it cures. Cure for 30 seconds in the LED dot. Now we're going to apply our second coat nice and thin right over the top of that first layer of color gel. Nice and thin. We want to keep that nail thin. Cure for 30 seconds in the LED dot. Now all that's left to do is to put on a nice high shine with the Light Elegance Super Shiny. You can leave the sticky residue of the color gel on and apply the Light Elegance Super Shiny from cuticle to free edge. Capping the free edge. Very nice. We're going to cure 1 minute in the LED dot. Now we're going to take the Light Elegance cleanser and a cleansing wipe and remove that sticky residue. Be sure to get all that sticky off the nail so it's nice and shiny. Go in and clean up any of your edges for that perfect manicure look. And of course, we want to end the service with the Light Elegance Cuticle Oil. Not only will this nourish the cuticle and skin, but it has a wonderful scent. What a wonderful, easy way to do a natural nail manicure with the JimmyGel and the Light Elegance Color Gel. Look how beautiful and professional that looks.